that's what he sees. I look like a top.
So I've seen a lot of girls' perspective on this, but I've not seen any guys' ones. So let's see what it's like. Nope. I do not. I look fucking fat. Nope. I'm not a fan. I'm so grateful that I have a beard, because if I didn't have a beard, it'd be nothing but chin. Like, I have a big double chin. That's why I have a beard. It covers it up. But you can see my chi-chis. I'm not a fan of this. Like, I feel like, no. I way rather be up, up than I'm here to demolish you. I'm sorry, ladies, but the guys have it so much worse. That is, I don't like the angle. And I know I'm a bigger guy, but I mean, god damn, that's just. Mm-mm.